I have the one and only 24 karat gold Labubu. Now, this is real 24 karat gold made in the form of a Labubu.
What if I told you that a cute little collectible toy is being called demonic, that people across the world are burning it in fear, that some believe it's linked to an ancient Mesopotamian demon named Pazuzu, and that it might even be banned in some countries for its spiritual energy? Today we are diving deep into the Labubu controversy, from viral conspiracy theories and celebrity goof-ups to counterfeit scams and spiritual fear. Let's separate the facts from the fear. Labubu is one of the most popular collectible figure from Pop Mart, a Chinese toy brand that makes blind box designer figures. Created by artist Kai Sang Lung, Labubu is described as a mischievous little forest spirit with wild hair, crooked teeth, and big bug eyes. It's loved by collectors, influencers, and even celebrities. But in mid-2024, things took a dark turn. The viral conspiracy. It all started from a viral TikTok video which claimed that Labubu is very closely resembling Pazuzu, which is a mythological demonic figure from Mesopotamia who brings famine, disease, and chaos. The creator even used a clip from Simpsons where a character yells Pazuzu while doing an exorcism.
Don't worry, Maggie. While Mommy and Daddy carouse downstairs, you'll be here in the dark with Pazuzu. When Pazuzu's eyes are glaring, it's time to go to bed. You'll see demon shadows fighting, but it's sweet dreams, Maggie. Don't let the Beelzebubs bite.
The similarities: big black hollow eyes, a creepy smile, tiny horns, mischievous or evil aura. The theory went viral and people started to see the toy as something much more sinister. The panic. Doll being burned. Soon people began burning their Labubu dolls. Videos flooded Instagram and TikTok with caption like, "Cleanse your space, destroy this cruel toy." From India to Malaysia, from Iraq to UK, people started fearing this harmless toy. Some people claimed to feel bad vibes from the toys, some people claimed that they had nightmare around it, and others just followed the trend out of fear. Spiritual claims and occult symbolism. What made the panic worse were the theories and conspiracies surfacing on witch talk and aesthetic conspiracy pages. Here's what they believed. Eyes, big, hollow, pitch black, which means soulless, vessel-like. Horns, symbol of ancient trickster, spirits or demon. Mischievous aura, similar to imps and shadow creatures. Dream and energy claims. People claimed sleeplessness, anxiety, or spiritual attacks after bringing Labubu home. In Kurdistan, the toy was even reportedly banned over its disturbing design and the possible emotional impact on children. Spiritual pages warned that Labubu could act as an inviting object, a symbolic doorway for darker energies. The debunk and what experts say. But here's the truth. No real evidence links Labubu to Pazuzu. Experts, including snobs, have confirmed it's all internet hysteria. The toy was never inspired by ancient demons. There's no occult design or coded evil inside. It's a fantasy character created by an artist with wild imagination, not a cult. In fact, this isn't new. We have seen similar panics before. Think Ouija boards, Pokemon, Barbie, and even Harry Potter. The counterfeit crisis. During this chaos, another scandal broke. Counterfeit Labubus were being sold everywhere. Pop Mart filed a lawsuit against 7-Eleven in California for selling high-quality fakes. In India, even celebs got tricked, like Ananya Pandey, who showed off a fake Labubu and laughed about it on camera.
Please say. My friend Ready Mom was trying to start a Labubu business and she ordered 100 of them, but she got the Labubu foods instead of Labubu.
Ananya, is this fake?
It is. But it's on a Chanel bag, so no one will ever know. But it's on a Chanel bag, so no one will ever know.
That's really cute.
These fakes, sometimes called lafufu, flooded the local markets and online shops, and yes, they made the demon theory even more viral. Why we all fell for these stories? So why do we believe things like these? Because we love fear. The idea of a possessed toy, it's terrifying and addictive. Our minds are wired to find patterns, meanings, and faces when they don't even exist. Especially in the internet, in the echo chambers, fear spreads faster than facts. At the end of the day, Labubu is just a strange little toy with a big imagination behind it, not a demon. But it tells us a lot about how fast misinformation can spread and how fear can take over fun. Do you still think it's creepy? Would you keep one in your house? And if you love weird internet mysteries, creepy toy tales, or the truth behind the viral internet chaos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You're listening to My Boo Podcast and I'm your host Bhumika Mehta.